back here on John's 88 Vet. We are up and running. He did call me. We had a crank no start about a week ago over at Costco. So we went, had it towed home, got it home, got it to light and didn't get it to light, got it to light and didn't get it to light, yada yada. Just a whole lot of sputtering, didn't want to run. Went over to his house this morning and I got it running. It cranked and didn't want to start. So I hit it with a little brake clean, got it lit off, ran okay. So got it towed over here so we didn't know where to stall. We're running, and we are at 34 PSI. A little low for this. They should be somewhere between 40 and 46. I'm going to undo the vacuum with the pressure regulator. Regulator unhooked. Should be around 46. I'm curious to see if this is regulated. So we drop down to 34. Should be about 40. So